Hi, my name is Catherine Anthony, and I'm the Program and Archives Manager at Rainier Valley Historical Society. Today's episode of This Old Kitchen will be on how to make lemon curd. This recipe is from Anne Creevy-Susie in our Rainier Valley Food Stories cookbook. To make lemon curd, you will need 2 ounces of butter, 2 lemons, both of the juice and the peel, 2 eggs, and 2 cups of sugar. This recipe states that you should use a double boiler, but I'm showing you how to make lemon curd without one, just in case you don't have one like I do. Combine the ingredients into a saucepan. Stir your ingredients, and once everything is combined except for the butter, which will melt with the heat, leave it stirring frequently for 10 minutes until it thickens. While we stir for 10 minutes, let's talk about the history of this recipe. Hitt Fireworks Company operated on Hitts Hill, south of Columbia City, from 1907 into the 1970s. It was founded by T.G. Hitt, who came from England in 1900. These stories and recipe were submitted by Anne Creevy-Susie, granddaughter of the Hitts, who lived with her grandparents during World War II. During World War II, both the Hitts were well into their 60s, and T.G. Hitt's central vision was destroyed by arsenic poisoning years prior. Anne recalls that her grandmother, who she called Nanny, was a loving, patient, caring, and giving person, while she had been an ornery kid. It was Nanny who taught Anne how to cook the lemon curd, as well as other recipes in our Food Stories cookbook. The Hitt family, like others during World War II, were restricted by rations and had to make do with what they had. Cookies were made with artificial sugar that came in huge sacks and looked like flour that T.G. Hitt got through his fireworks factory. This recipe, lemon curd, was a special treat in the home, and they always had some at hand. Lemon curd in and of itself has an interesting history. Lemon curd can be traced back to England in the early 1800s. Lemon curd from that time period, however, entailed lemon acidulating cream to form curds, and a cheesecloth being used afterwards to separate that from the whey, essentially making it lemon cheese. Now, lemon cheese was used to make lemon tarts. This included using a hard piece of sugar against the lemon's skin in order to extract the lemon essence and color, as well as remove some zest and put it into the recipe as well. The modern incarnation is obviously less cheese-like, thanks to the addition of eggs and butter, helping it become a more creamy consistency. While we made lemon curd today, you can make fruit curd from almost any fruit that can be juiced. I've made a delicious cranberry curd before. So see, it's thickened up a fair amount, and it probably needs about a minute or 2 more, and after that, it's ready to put into some jars. So once it starts bubbling up like this, your lemon curd is done. So turn the heat off. So once your lemon curd is all done, pour it carefully into jars. Make sure the jars are clean. I should do it the other way. And put it in the fridge to ensure that they set up properly and cool down. Serving suggestions. Lemon curd is usually used in baking as a filling for pies, tarts, and cakes, or whipped into a mousse with cream. Usually, I use it on top of vanilla ice cream for a hint of brightness. It's also delicious on toast or a scone, and you can make frosting with it, just add cream cheese.